some more.
Hello guys, welcome to our tutors. In this video we are going to be making one of the Among Us characters. Okay, so today we are going to be making red, but you can choose any color and you can follow my steps. This one is made from 10 centimeter paper and this one from 16 centimeter. You can choose any one. So let's get started. So take the paper, and I want to tell you before I do it, this paper is actually two papers, a white paper and a red paper that are stick together, so it's a bit thick. That's why I recommend you to use a thin paper, but the results may vary. Okay, so take the paper, fold it into a triangle, crease it, open it, and now we need to make 4x4 grid. So let us make it. Okay. And now the last side. Just like that. Okay. Now you need to take two sides and fold it like this. And now put it down. Okay. So this line should align with this line. Adjust it. And don't worry if you got the thick paper, this will confirm happen that it would come out a bit. Just adjust this part. Okay, now do the same thing on this side. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take this point and fold it to this line. Okay, so you see inside we are gonna crease it just like that, and now you're gonna fold this flap like this. Okay, just like that. And now what you're gonna do is you're just gonna fold this flap just a bit. Okay, not too much, that much, just to keep the distance between the legs in the character. You see this distance, so for that we need to make, and then press it, and now you see the excess part. You're gonna wait a second, we'll just reduce the length of the legs. Okay, this flap you need to fold it like this and then put it inside just like that. Okay, and repeat the same on this side. Okay, just like that. Press it once, and now you're gonna fold this flap to the middle. Like that to the middle, and this one too. And now it's your choice to decide whether you need the oxygen tank, this tank right here. Which side do you want it? If you want it on the left, you just fold it till the edge, okay, this much, so that the whole flap, it becomes the oxygen tank. See, this much only, like that, okay. And now you will fold this bottom part, this part inside, just like that. Make sure it goes like this, aligning with this line, okay. Next step is you're gonna take this whole part and fold it till this line, okay, the legs. Just like that. Okay. Next, you're gonna fold it up. Okay. And then fold it, this flap inside, making this shape come like that. Okay. So I'm just gonna show you how it's done. Okay. So you need to fold this flap inside this part, so when you press it, it all comes together like that. So we got perfect oxygen tank shape. And now it's time for the visor. Okay, so this white part right here, it's known as visor for people who don't know. Okay, you're gonna fold this flap that we folded up like that. Okay, then fold it all the way down, just leave some gap, okay, not too much, but just some gap, and fold it in a cross way, okay, not straight but in an inclined angle, see, like that. And now you're gonna open these inside flaps like that, and this side too. And now if you leave it, it always comes up, so that's why I have decided a way. You just fold this part inside like that, and this flap you fold inside this part, and the bottom flap you just fold it like this, so we get a curve, okay, nice curve. And then this part you just fold it inside, okay, just shape it till you get a nice little red, just like that. Okay, now last step is, you see this top part, you just fold it inside, okay, you don't need to fold it, you just need to shape it a more, okay, just shape it so that it becomes a smooth curve, just like that. Okay, and fold these legs. That's it. You have just made an Among Us character red. Shh. He may be the imposter. So he started a match. All the people came, and then one guy went there, one guy went there, and he went there, and green came near red, and then he killed green. This looks so cool, doesn't it? It's made from paper. And you'll know how to make this. So remember to subscribe so that you'll get notified on how to make this.